is our topic in this video episode. Rubber is a basic science and technology topic. Lesson focus: identification of rubber, classification of rubber, properties of rubber, evaluation questions. Identification of rubber. Rubber is a material which can be stretched or compressed but can return back to its original length when the applied force is removed. Rubber can easily be stretched to any length. So long as the elastic limit is not exceeded, rubber will always return back to the original shape that it was in the beginning. That is one characteristic of rubber. Rubber is a non-metallic material. Rubber are called elastomers. Rubbers are called elastomers. Identification of rubber. The main characteristics of rubber is elasticity. Elasticity. The main characteristics of rubber is elasticity. This makes rubber different from other engineering materials. Identification of rubbers too. Rubber is treated with sulfur at high temperature to improve its elasticity and hardness. We treat rubber to improve its quality, and the process of treating rubber is called vulcanization. It's called vulcanization. Classification of rubber or kinds of rubber. Rubber is classified as 1. Natural rubber and 2. Synthetic rubber. Natural rubber. Natural rubber is milky liquid. Natural rubber is made from milky liquid called latex. Latex is tapped as the sap of rubber tree. Latex is obtained from rubber tree. Synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber is artificial or man-made rubber. It is made from organic materials derived from refining petroleum oil. It is man-made, it is artificial. Remember, the first one is natural rubber and the second one is synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber is man-made or artificial rubber, and natural rubber is obtained from rubber tree. Properties of rubber. 1. Elasticity. Rubber can regain its original shape after being stretched. That is elasticity. It can stretch and it can still come back to its original. 2. Shock absorption. Rubber is very good at absorbing shock from vibration. That's why we use rubber as tire for our vehicle. 3. Electric insulation. Rubber does not allow electricity to pass through. We use rubber to protect ourselves when we want to deal with electrical material so that it will stand as an insulator. It will act as an insulator. Rubber is a very good insulator. 4. Waterproofing. Rubber does not allow water to pass through it. Rubber resists water passing through it. 5. Rubber can be molded into any required shape. Rubber can be molded into any required shape. Products of rubber. As you can see on the screen, we have so many products of rubber, from catapult, elastic, toys, coat, hand glove, etc. So many products of rubber, as you can see on the screen. Evaluation questions. 1. Identify rubber. What is the main characteristics of rubber? 3. Describe 5 properties of rubber. 4. List 4 products of rubber. 1. Identify rubber. 2. What is the main characteristics of rubber? 3. Describe 5 properties of rubber. 4. List 5 products of rubber. Subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe so you can always know when we release new videos. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Like this video if you like our production. Please click on the like button in your phone. Also click on the subscribe button. Also remember to click the bell so you can always get notification when we release new video. And share this video with your friends and family that you know it will benefit their life. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.